todos, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Soy Carla de la Pilipinas, mabuhay and welcome back to my mini vlog. Another day, another vlog. At ayan na nga, ito ay gabi serye na naman to. Dahil this is the first time na mag-record kami ng gabi dito sa Spain, dito sa pinagsastayan namin. But as you can see, it is really nice, beautiful, and there's many people outside also having fun, especially the kids. And also, yeah, look at the shore and look at the city, full of lights, full of life. And ayun na nga, naglakad-lakad kami at pumunta kami dito malapit sa may ocean part. At as you can see, ayan, at ayan na nga ang aking Josawa naghahanap ng isda or crab. So sabi niya, baka may mahanap tayo ditong perlas ng silanganan. Charis lang mga bakla. So ayun na nga, naglaro kami ng onti dito ni Ivar at tumakbo-takbo. Sabi ko sa kanya, ingat ka dyan, baka mabugok ang iyong ulo at matauhan ka at pauwi mo na ako sa Pilipinas at bigla mo na akong i-divorcia. At ayan ang ating itsura, pakpisya. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please follow this page and also leave a thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Thank you so much for watching. Adios. Mwah.